Hi guys.
Yay.
She's cute with this. How do you feel right now?
I don't know, I cannot move. Hola chicos, bueno, entonces lo que tengo en la casa es zanahorias y cebollas. Bueno, tenemos pimientos. Pues vamos a hacer bibimbap con lo que hay. Zanahorias, cebollas y pimiento. También los huevitos.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's filming? It looks good. Guys, what? It turned away. Oh, we can film about both of us? Hello. I arrived late today.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
Anna ordered me a cappuccino. Cheers.
You are more YouTuber than me.
Hi guys. Today I will be reviewing this drink that I don't know what it is, but it's brown. Okay, let's try it. It tastes kind of bitter and good at the same time, but I think it is kind of good. But it's not the best I've had.
Oh God, this is
I think this is the first time I've tried something like this.
Gracias. What are you looking for? Again? Right, where is it? Water is most important. This.
Pick one, I buy for you.
Just
Okay.
kidding. No. We're not alcoholic, okay? It's too early for alcohol.
Anything.
I just want water, please. Water. There. Get some water and some energy drink. Yay!
She's cute. This looks cuter.
Yeah, it look cute.
But this is the
I think this one is nice. It has,
amendments.
yes.
I heard that.
It's not a compliment. Anyway, the weather doesn't look so good. It's not good for Wow, this side looks good, and then the back side looks like it's smoothie. It doesn't look appetizing.
Hi.
Hola chicos, ahora estamos en Malecón de Cuba con las comidas. Entonces aquí tenemos bibimbap que hice desde la casa. Tenemos panque, muffin con semilla de almendra, energy drinks and water.
Let's mix.
You know what you can do? Close it and shake it. But first break the egg. One, two, three. Whoa! Don't watch this. Watch this.
Oh. Open this.
Let's see what's inside, guys. I don't know yet what's inside. Let's see.
Wow.
Wow!
What a surprise. Taste test.
Whoa, the water is gross.
I don't think we are that unlucky, right?
I hope.
Thank you. Do ASMR.
Siento que las olas del mar están muy alto ahora. No sé, dentro de unos minutos nos van a atacar porque ahora ya el agua sube hasta donde sentamos ahora.
How was your day? What did you do?
My day was good. I woke up, I went to school, I went back home, I slept, then I cooked, and then I came here.
Wow.
Was a long day, right? What about yours?
I passed my exam.
Hey.
Yeah, so I'm here to celebrate with us. It's raining. Let's go.
Okay, let's run. Let's try muffin. Oh, it's still soft. Oh, it's so dry.
Does it taste good?
Eat faster.
Hi. The spice is getting to me.
Estamos en picnic, ¿verdad? Y mira, el cielo no está en nuestro lado. De ese punto, aquí está lloviendo. Y aquí parece que de pronto va a llover. Y también arriba de nosotros parece que va a llover. Entonces creo que dentro de unos minutos va a llover. Y bueno, y también las olas del mar ahora está un poquito agresivo, entonces make a sign when it's delicious. Wow. So do a review as your food reviewer. Then. Wait. You need the mic.
The taste is immaculate. It's like the best thing I ate this whole month. And the month has been long. This is what day is it?
This is the month of
No. Yeah, this is the best thing I've ate this month. And I hope Anna will make me more food every weekend. Because I'm starving every day. I don't have anything to eat. I've been eating sweet potatoes every single day.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
I'm eating.
Last bite. Oh.
Thank you, Pana. Again. Please cook for me again. Thank you. Why are you making that face?
Alright guys, so it looks like it's gonna rain, so the video is gonna end here and see you in the next video. Alright?
Bye. You feel right now?
I don't know, I cannot move.